Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first we'll talk areas of support, and specifically what I would call more so the ideal level of support. So if you're saying, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up there above 0012. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 0012, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above it and continue to stay above it, you know, late this afternoon, the price did a great job of bouncing from it. So if that sort of price action continues, then that would certainly make the chart look the strongest going forward. But taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? That is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0012 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that above the purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now. Quite a bit of price congestion up there at 0017, so 0017 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, good solid volume, and now it's just a question of can the bulls start to chip away and build higher bases? We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.